So, ladies and gentlemen, now we have this ASUS X501A series laptop, and the screen of this laptop is broken. So we just got the package from laptopscreen.com and we are going to change it. After I turn the laptop on, this is how the screen looks like. So basically it's broken. And first of all, we need to turn the laptop off. Try to keep this button for more than 10 seconds so all the electricity goes off, and yes, then we turn the laptop upside down, remove the battery. There is a security over here, and then there is the other lock, so we have the battery off. Try to do this for every electronic device you use. Try to take the battery off. Now, first we need to remove these little plastics. There are hidden some screws, and for that we need a knife or something sharp. So now, after removing the plastics, we can see that there are two screws in each corner, down corner, and for that we will need this kind of screw. This is a cross, small cross. So now I removed screws away, they're over here. Nice. So what we have to do next is remove the screen cover, which is just by some locks over here. For that we need this knife, so we can put it on the side like this and then take it off. There are just, you're gonna hear these knocks all the time, but no worries, nothing will be broken. Yes, right over here. And now we see the screen is attached again with two screws. First ones are over here on the upper layer, over there, and the other one is over there. Some laptops might have screws down, so you have to check by the cover. So basically we need to remove this one and this one for now. Okay, so I removed the screws now. The screen is loose. All we have to do is carefully take the screen away, which is pretty easy. Put it aside, and then this is the most important thing. This is the connection wire, which gives all the information to the screen. And we have to remove the sticker over here. This sticker is just a security sticker to make sure that the connection is connected properly. And we gently remove the wire like this. You're gonna hear click. Yes, so now we have over here. And then the screen is taken away. This is the broken screen. Now I'm gonna show you how to order the screen from the internet. Okay, so now we are in laptopscreen.com. Now we're gonna search for our ASUS X501A screen. So over here we're gonna write our laptop, ASUS X501A, and this is very good. Website, you can easily find it. So I have a screen compatible with X501A, and these are the result. Please make sure to find out the size of your laptop screen. So basically it's shown like this in inches. So I will show you also my old screen over here. On the back you can find out the size of the screen. It's written right over here. So we have a 15.6 inch screen. You can find it, and 156 means 15.6 inches screen. Anyways, for this model we have only one option but two different screens. The one is LSD screen and the other one is LSD, of course. But one of them is glossy and the other one is matte. I have ordered the glossy one, so you just add to cart and continue. On the delivery date you're gonna find out that the box comes similar to this. We unpack it and it comes in an envelope, and over here we will find the screen. Careful when you unpack it, you might break it. It's a really delicate thing. So over here we have the new screen. Alright, so now we have the new screen on the laptop. First we have to plug this pin to the new screen gently. So now after we have plugged, we are ready to put the screen over here. So there is our new screen, and we continue putting the screws we just removed from the old one. Okay, screws in. Now we put the cover. First we start with the bottom. Try to hear the click. So gently try to attach all the plastic around the screen, and then we put the final screws. So just a reminder, try to make sure you remove the plastic which secures the screen so it's not scratched before you put the final screws. So now I have just put the screws and try to stick again the covers which cover the screws on top. And now I'm gonna plug the battery so I can turn the laptop on. Yes, let's see what we did. Did we manage to do good or bad? So ladies and gentlemen, we successfully changed the screen for the ASUS X501A series. Screen works perfectly. It's through everywhere. Thank you for watching and have fun changing your screen.